to get yourself some decent paddles, Jamie.
Yeah, we couldn't find the paddles.
Can't find them?
No, I don't know what. It's my brother's canoe. I don't know where he left them. He was in a bit of a rush.
It's a K1, isn't it? Not kayak, it's a K1.
I don't know.
Or K2. No more red and black one, Ant. See that where the thing is, Tom? The log? That there. That's not much clear on you when you walk past. Because that's footpath. And that first hill there is the one we took Columbus and John. But all them rabbits are there, aren't they? Yeah. Is it leaking? Nice, but you like spiders? No, I like them. It's really bad stuff. Alright, looks like they're going for a journey, doesn't it? Better not. Can you pass me up the creek without a paddle. That's what I'll put on YouTube. Up the creek without a paddle. I reckon there's some more lanes that way. We've got all water in it. There's another river up there. Yeah. It's a fucking river. You need some fucking proper paddles there, my boy. Just let me fucking run. I'll be alright now.
No.
I can see him, he's in the other field. Zoom in.
You can't zoom in this phone, can you?
That's a couple of wellies. Is it filling your wellies? Fun? I can find my watch. You've got to do a quick side of the boat so you can walk up. Water unfiltered. Water tight.
Check us on the reef, Ben. I'm going down to the big field.
The big field? Oh, our field?
Hi, Bank.
Oh.
You good?
What, that?
Alright. I'm going to go down High Banks. Grab the end one.
What's that for?
What do you think?